In this session, we will discuss about Control D error in a Linux server. This is my server. Here it is giving me error, and that error is welcome to emergency mode. After login, type journal XP to view system logs, systemctl reboot to reboot, systemctl default or Control D to try again to boot into default mode. Give root password for maintenance or press Control D to continue. This is the error. So why this error occurs? We have to understand actually what are the causes. So if this type of error occurs, means we have to understand that there is some misconfiguration, that is missing configuration in etc fstab file or wrong specification of file system mount options, failing mount points or unrecognized characters in the fstab file. So we have to examine and we have to troubleshoot one by one what is exactly happened in my server and why it is giving the maintenance mode error. So let's start troubleshoot. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Linux Hub. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. So here it is asking for giving the root password. I have to supply the root password and now it will give me the hash prompt. So here we have to, according to the error message, we have to use the journalctl-xb command to read the errors. Okay, now it will give the detailed error of the server, what it happened, but from this error we have to read a lot of lines. So we will go specifically, we will search exactly what is the error. So journalctl pipe grep grep failed. So now here you can see that HDD mount has failed and HDD1 mount has failed. That means some misconfiguration regarding the HDD1. That's why my server is not booting properly and giving me the error. So for troubleshooting this one, I have to check what partitions are in my server. So for that, command is df-h. Here you can see that these partitions are working properly, and for other partitions we have to check fdisk-l. Here we can check what partitions are present in my server, and we can see all these things regarding the partitions. So here we can see that here it is a partition SDB. You can see that SDB and SDB1, this is the partition that is not coming if I am giving the command df-h. Here you can see that HDB1 partition is not coming. That means some wrong entry is in fstab file. That's why that HDB1 is not working and my server is also not coming properly or not booting in healthy state. So for checking the fstab file, we have to go to the etc/etc and fstab. We have to check the line for HDB entry. Here you can check that /deb HDB1 HDD1 ext4 default 0 and 0. So here we can see that here is a spelling mistake, that is it should be defaults. So I have corrected this one and now we have to save this file. Just I have saved this file and let's reboot the server and let's check. Else we can also use the command mount -a. This will also mount all the parameters defined in fstab file. You can see that HDB1 is working now. So for testing once again, I have to reboot the server. Yes, Now you can see that my server booted in healthy state. So give here the credentials to boot into the server. Now yes, now you can check that everything is fine and my server booted in a healthy state. So this is the step to troubleshoot for the control D error in the Linux server. So thank you for watching my video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comment.